Hello everyone! Today, I'm excited to share an innovative concept for enhanced eco-friendly face masks that prioritize sustainability without compromising effectiveness. My concept involves the use of sustainable materials and advanced filtration techniques to create face masks that are not only environmentally friendly but also highly effective. The enhanced eco-friendly face masks are made from the combination of sustainable materials such as bamboo, which is highly renewable resource, and natural fibers like cotton or hemp. These materials are chosen for ability to absorb moisture and filter impurities effectively. Benefits. Number 1, sustainable production. By using renewable resources, the production process minimizes environmental impact. Benefits number 2, improved filtration. Advanced filtration techniques ensure that the masks provide superior protection against pollutant and allergens. Benefits number 3, comfort and breathability. The natural fibers used in the mask offers comfort and breathability, making them suitable for extended wear. Example, in my design, I've incorporated a unique layering system where the innermost layer is made from activated charcoal, known for its excellent filtration process and properties. The middle layer is a moisture wicking fabric made from recycled plastic bottles, reducing waste and conserving resources. The outmost layer is the soft-breathable mesh made from the sustainable source plant fibers. In my case study, recently we conducted a pilot study with a group of volunteers who wore this mask for a week. The result shown a significant reduction in airborne particle inhalation compared to traditional masks, while also receiving positive feedback on comfort and durability. In my conclusion, this enhanced eco-friendly face masks offer a revolutionary approach to personal protection and environmental responsibility. By combining cutting-edge technology with sustainable practices, we can create products that benefit both individual and the planet. Thank you for watching, and I hope this concept inspires you to think creatively about sustainability in everyday products.